Hello friends, welcome to Rigveda. In this channel, we showcase our custom rigs. We also do the latest and coolest product reviews as well as we cover the tech news. Today, what we are going to see is this product, Antec NX 410. So before we jump on to this review, we need to understand what is going on in this current gaming case, design. So of late, you must be seeing the manufacturers are giving more importance to the airflow. So most of the panels today, the current gen panels, if you see the cases that you see, they come with the mesh front, so that there is very good airflow inside the cabin. It is a requirement today because of the high performing CPUs, especially the Ryzen 5000 series, and as well as NVIDIA's 3000 series graphics cards, which draw more power compared to their previous gen. So it is a necessity today. And as well as mesh is kind of a trend today. So any case that comes with a mesh, it commands a very good premium. And coming to this Antec, Antec is, you must be all knowing, they're an American manufacturer, so they give a lot of importance to Indian market. So unlike the other brands, that bring products very late to our shores, so Antec, we should appreciate them. They bring the products first to Indian shores. So this is one of this product which is introduced in our market first. So and we really like this case, and when we review, we will come to know why we like this case. So let's before further ado, let's jump into this unboxing and the review of the case. So friends, this is a new NX 410 gaming case from Antec. So the first thing that strikes you is the front, mesh. It has a pretty large mesh for its size, and it has a very nice, design in the front. And there are two ARGB fans, in the front, and then one in the back. And there is one dust filter, on top. And there are the I/O ports in the side. So this is the rear and the side of the case. The highlight of this case is there are no screws. If you look at, there are no screws in the side. So it has a magnetic side. So you can just open like this, So, and it is removable. So this sort of case design we used to see in very high-end cases like Lian Li. So kudos to Antec to include this in a budget case like this. Coming to the bottom panel, the sheet metal quality is thick and decent. First, remove. You can see the cable management here, so ways how you can put the cable ties, and you got a USB 3 header, and there is a HD audio header along with a USB 2 header. These are the motherboard connectors. So this is the hardware box that comes with the case. So you have a provision to mount one 3.5 inch hard disk, and you can mount 2.5 SATA. So let's see what's there in this box. So we've got some cable ties, a small speaker, and some screws, and some thumb screws in case you lose it. And there is one user manual. I think one particular thing we were confused about this is, so the reset switch, it is connected to the ARGB pin that is coming out of the rear ARGB fan. So don't get confused. So you can either use this top LED button as a reset switch, or it can also control the LED lighting pattern. So on top there is a big power button and ARGB control button, and there is an indicator for a hard disk as well as power. You see the microphone and headphone jack, followed by two USB 2 ports and then one USB 3 port. So this case has provision for up to 6 fans. In the front you can mount 3 120mm fans or 3 140mm fans. In the top you can mount 2 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans. In the rear it supports one 120mm fan. Coming to radiators, you can mount up to 360mm radiator in the front, or up to 280mm radiator on the top, or one 120mm radiator in the rear. This case supports graphics cards of length up to 335mm, which covers most of the popular graphics card including RTX 3080, and coolers up to 168mm height, which covers most of the popular air coolers in the market. And friends, did we tell you there is a white version also available for about 4,000 rupees? This will be the cheapest white case in the market. Another tip is, this case has only a depth of 390mm, which is smaller than most ITX cases. For those looking for a compact size as well as on a budget, look no further. This will save you a lot of money. So friends, thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think about this case in the comment section.